Welcome back to another video, episode 17 I think. So here we are, we're just on Victoria Road, up in the second floor flat. So we've got all our timber loaded up, we've got our saws and whatnot, just going to tidy everything. We're just taping up the floors, make sure it's all sorted. We're going to have a big library coming up to here. I don't know if you can see, it was in yesterday, just marking out roughly where we're going to. So it's just coming down a few hundred mil from the cornice up above. It's going to have an oak sliding ladder, again, the same as what you seen last week. This time it's not going to be on hooks, it's going to be on rollers, albeit we're not going to have a rolling a roller on the bottom of the ladder because the floor is such a run, it might be off balance. So we're going to put rubber feet on the bottom, which I need to order up actually. We'll likely take off some of the skirting. I don't think any of this is actually original, to be honest. The room's a bit mix and match, there's different patches in here and there, so yeah, we'll sort all that out. And obviously we're going to fully back the whole unit, and yeah, nice wee cornice, skirting on the bottom, relatively straightforward for us, but yeah, looking forward to seeing it all materialise and get this timber started to cut. Tom and I had a good day yesterday, managed to get the base got a couple of rungs in. We're just spending a bit of time getting all the fixing points for all the timbers and whatnot in, just so we've got good fixings all the way up. We don't need to mess about later on adding wee daft fillets in and whatnot. That's all been done, so Tommy's just making up the rest there now. There's a big run in the floor, so I've got about 60mm run in the floor. The ceiling's not so bad. I was worried in case they were both run the same way, which would create a bigger problem for us. The only thing is the sliding ladder we're going to do, we might lose part of the run over to the window side behind me there, just because of the way the floor goes. There's nothing you can do about that. It's just one of these things. The property's been here for 100 years, so yeah, something we'll deal with. But between today and tomorrow, with all the shelves whatnot in, get onto cladding, and then hopefully on Thursday and Friday we're just making up the ladder, sanding and getting everything finished up. That's Tommy and I just lifted the 16 sheets up, so we've also, this morning we've managed to get the frames all in, so they're all looking good. First things first, what I'll do is I'll do all our rips, get these cladded top and bottom, and then after that we'll do the sides, and we've already got the turnouts and all that, so we can just get cracking straight with them. The last thing we do is put the backs on, so we refill them again, put another back on it. Might not be the most effective way of using all this material, but it's the easiest way when we're working up here in this flat. It's kind of, you're up on the second floor, you don't really have the chance to build a big unit and sit it in, so yeah, so it's all looking good. As you can see, the big frame is all in, so looking forward to getting the sheets cut up, get them on, and yeah, get this job underway. Just another wee update from us in Victoria Road. So currently we've managed to get all the sides, the trays on top as well. These worked out really well. As you see, we've got a fixing right the way through for each of these, which is brilliant. So that's Tommy and I. We've just ripped up about 25 lengths of the face plates, so we're going to get them all on. And we're also going to map out the ladder fixings, and we'll get all the sides and whatnot down at the bottom. We'll get them all fully fixed and packed again, just to make sure it's extra sturdy. All the units are all fixed back now, so I've just fixed through the legs of each of the unit, and I fixed up at the top as well. That just means it's absolutely solid. It's got about 3 fixings in each at the top, and obviously it's fixed down at the bottom as well. So yeah, it's all looking great, and hopefully we'll have the fronts on, or a few of them, by the end of the day today. That's another day done. So we've managed to get the fronts of the shelves all on, as you can see. So tomorrow we'll just need to do our scribing piece down here. So we'll get that all scribed. We'll get the rest of the fillers going across. We've got a cornice to go around the top, skirting on the bottom, ladder, la-di-da-di-da, all that stuff. So yeah, we'll get all the backs cut. That's probably the biggest item for us to get done tomorrow. So hopefully we'll have that all finished. I'll get the oak and whatnot for the ladder, so it's here for Friday. But yeah, we'll see how we get on tomorrow, and hopefully we have another good day at it. It's currently Thursday morning, time's just went around 9:30. Tommy and I are just ripping up some of the timbers that we're going to use for backing pieces. So we're going to rip them through this saw, get the hoover and all that on. So yeah, we're going to rip them through, just half them. It means we're using less timber. So yeah, they'll be screwed on the backs of the unit. So obviously got all that done last night, as you can see. So yeah, we'll just screw the fillets on, get them nice and parallel, and then insert the backs. The backs have all been ripped up as well, so that's really good, and hopefully we'll have this done before tea time. We'll have it all finished, so we'll see how we get on. Dolly's laughing. Right, we'll see you in the next wee bit. That's Tommy and I managed to get quite a lot done. The ladder's all cut. We've cut the treads and whatnot out as well, so that's all ready to go tomorrow. I just need to actually cut the treads and then sand it, so Tommy can do that in the morning. I'm going to go and get the skirting and whatnot, get all that sorted. We're going to get the cornice sorted as well, so unfortunately I need to go and pick that stuff up, but oh no, that's everything backed. Tomorrow we'll be sanding everything as well, so yeah, we'll have it all hopefully finished tomorrow. Bit of a push on tomorrow, but we'll manage to get it all done for the client. Back in this morning, I'm currently just drilling out this ladder. So that says it's all been done, but just drilling out all the bits. Then I'm going to pass it over to Tommy to sand. I'm going to nip away, get the skirting, get the cornice, and then hopefully we'll have all this tied together whilst Tommy's filling. I'm away getting the skirting, and yeah, hopefully we'll get it smashed out today. That's how it's just finished up in this unit. What a monster, it's taken out is, so me and Tommy's just stripping the black boards out in the hall. So yeah, that's us fully finished. So as you can see, we've got a oak ladder, we've got a beautiful wee corner section to the top, we've got a nice skirting all the way down. You can see the in that skirt, it's quite unbelievable how much run there is in the floor. We've actually had to chop the ladder like 15mm at one side to accommodate so that the ladder sits in line with the unit. So Joe's in painting this next week, so really excited to see this all finished up. But we'll leave this wee video here, and I hope you've enjoyed it this week. We'll see you again next week.